Welcome to another episode of Asia Unscripted. I am still in Baguio. I am at a place called Camp John Hay, which is also up in the mountains above Baguio City. And we're going to check out some parts of it today. So, the first part here is a place called the Cemetery of Negativism. So let's check that out. The Lost Cemetery. You can take a screenshot of this. I'm going to keep on walking and see what's here. Love all the pine trees. See all the pine trees? Really nice. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Huh. Interesting. Just can't shake it. Huh. Interesting. Let's see. Our little friend, the turtle down there. Very interesting. Why didn't I? Died for no reason. Okay. Well, this one died in flames. Huh. Won't be used. Abandoned. This is definitely unique. Huh. These aren't the easiest to read. Huh. Very, very unusual. Huh. And the last one here. Blame me, Willie. Very interesting. Cemetery of Negativism. So let's see what else we can find today. Again, just like yesterday, it's about 70 degrees. Nice sunny day. We'll check out this Bell Amphitheater. You can screenshot that. Oh, wow. Look at this. I'm not going down those stairs, but this gives you a general overview of the amphitheater. I'm not sure what they exactly do here. Maybe they have shows, I don't know. But it is very beautiful. It looks like it's under construction, but they have this place called the Bell House, library and museum. Maybe we can get into it going the back way. Let's check it out. Let's see what we can find here in the City of Pines. Very quiet up here, very peaceful. So Camp John Hay was designed by the Americans back in the day when we were still a force here. So the I believe the military, they could bring themselves, their family up here to get away from the heat of the lowlands. So for a long time, this was pretty much American territory. And now it got transferred over to the Filipinos. So it looks like we might be able to go up that way. Let's check it out. Well, actually, we'll do that in a separate video. I'll do that. If we can get in there, I'll do a separate video on that. But here again, here's the amphitheater. Very beautiful. You can see it from another angle here. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything back here. I'm not going to go down there to see. All right, so I will see if we can get into this house. If not, then we'll do a second part of this video at another spot. So we'll leave you with the amphitheater view. So from here at Camp John Hay, this is Asia Unscripted, and I will see you guys in the next video.